Girl, I just want me over. Girl, I just want me over. Girl, I just want me to chill like ice water. Me on my pushing with body. I'm spending my paper. After tonight, I go like to see you.
Baby, calm down, calm down. Girl, this your body, it puts in my heart. Oh, look down, oh, look down, oh, look down. Girl, you sweet like Fanta, Fanta. If I tell you, say I love you, you know they for younger, oh, younger. Tell me na 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 na, baby, come give me your la 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 la.
Guys, welcome back to a new vlog. My name is Precious. If you're new here, you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, please ensure not to make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, do all the good stuff, engage, yeah, and make sure you share as well. Thank you. I should do so. So I'm Nigerian and I am based here in Calgary, Canada. Actually, today is St. Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Hope you're having a swell time with your loved ones. Hope you're sharing love, getting flowers, gifts, and all that good stuff. Yeah, so today I woke up really late. When I woke up, I went to the gym. So I got back from the gym, had my bath, and made breakfast. You guys saw me make breakfast. So I made a toast. You guys, the salsa sauce, I just tried it today for the first time. The sauce, I think I showed you guys that I put on the toast. Chef's kiss. Like, it changed everything. Like, that thing is a game changer. It took that toast to another level. It was so good. Like, it was so good. And I think I saw that recipe from Dima, I think. So I went to the store and I saw it. I didn't plan to get it. So I saw it and I remembered, oh, like when Dima used it. And started to give it a try. You guys, you should try that. Really nice. And also, this is my regular mixture. I'm not done with my smoothie yet, but I'm done with the toast. This is a regular mixture I always do. Frozen strawberry fruits, like frozen mixed fruits, mostly strawberries, raspberry and all of that, banana and Greek yogurt. That's what I have here. And I got this cup from Amazon, by the way. I'm sure I showed you guys that already. And the straw as well. It comes with a straw. I've been talking for too long, for what, 2 minutes now. Anyway, so today I just want to like do stuff, the normal, the usual stuff I always do, work and all of that, and checking on you guys when something interesting happens or before the end of today. I'll try to check on you guys. So see you soon. Bye. So I created my vision board yesterday. This is what it looks like. It is my wallpaper right now on my laptop as well as my phone. But let me show you guys what it looks like on Canva because everything isn't showing correctly. I actually used Canva to do this. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like on Canva. Let me see if I can, I don't know, but anyways, this is what it looks like on Canva when I did it yesterday. And it did take time. I don't know why I've been stalling to do this thing. And actually, it's the first time I'm ever having a mood board. Never had one before. Yeah, so it's actually what it looks like. Here I have soft life, like self-care and all of that, luxury, more luxury brands, travel, God did it, more money, get a good car, is handled by God, more luxury and all of that, God, I'm all in. Everything is centered around 2023, get engaged, go to the gym more, pray more. Something big is coming, more growth on YouTube, collaboration with more brands, to eat healthy, girl boss, marry me, read more, get a house, drink more water, and yeah, so that's basically everything. And I think I did really well for a first timer. This thing was so easy to do. I don't know why I have been stalling. Like, I should have done this like since January, but it's better late than never, right? Yeah, so that's what my vision board for 2023 looks like. Ciao. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Actually on my way to Banff. Very excited. Never been, like, I can't wait. Mommy, I'm vlogging, hold on. Yeah, so I'm on my way to Banff and all dressed up. I'm just wearing this white sweater from Shein, my black jean trouser, and my sneakers is from Tom's. If I have the chance, I'm going to show you guys what my full outfit looks like. But I don't know, this is the first time I'm actually making a video from the garage. I'll see you guys on our way there. Okay, bye. That's the full outfit, and I'm going to see you guys. Bye. Hi guys. Oh, please, your voice is entering my video, please. Thank you. Forever. So I just got to Banff, and the first activity we're doing today is we're going on the gondola ride. So we just got here and we are walking towards there. Let me show you guys what it looks like.
Really?
No, it's beautiful.
I'm actually very scared of heights, so wish me luck.
And we skip to the good part.
You've arrived at your destination.
I'ma hit this drink up like it's my last. Turn it up like it's my last. Pass up like it's my last. I swear I'ma do it like I never had it.
We skip to the good part.
It is freezing. It's so cold. Jeez. But the view is so beautiful, you guys. Like, my hands are freezing. I wish I could stay out here longer, but I can't. And I need to take pictures. I haven't taken pictures yet. and it's so cold, like it's freezing cold. I need to get inside. Looks like we're
Hi there. How are you?
Hi guys, so I'm at the topmost floor. We just finished having lunch kind of thing. This place is so gorgeous, but it's freezing, like it's fucking cold. But it's amazing. The views are off this world. Like Canada is beautiful, no cap. No cap. No cap. Let me show you guys the environment.
I don't want nobody to keep my matter clean. For this life I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my days, I want to spend them on enjoyment. Really traveling, you know they shall I don't want nobody to keep my matter clean. For this life I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my days, I want to spend them on enjoyment. Really traveling.
Guys, so we came to Lake Minnewanka or Minnewanka, I don't know which it is. So everywhere is like frozen. People are skating and walking on the lake because it's frozen. I don't have the perfect shoes, so I cannot walk there. It's really beautiful, it's really gorgeous. Like you have the mountains, I already showed you guys, and everything. It looks so beautiful. Let me show you guys what it looks like here.
Is there anything else I can get?